Hi everybody, so we have finally made it to Friday. Your morning work today is going to be working on M and O beginning sounds. Remember, M says like mouse, N, nest, A, octopus. So down here you have an octopus, a moon, a nest, an ostrich, net, and mop. So you're going to cut out your 6 pictures and you're going to put them in the nest next to the letter they start with. Okay? All right. And today I have one more book about caterpillars. This is The Life of a Butterfly. And we're actually only going to read up until the chrysalis part, since that is as far as our caterpillars are so far. So, The Life of a Butterfly. This was written by Robin Bernard. What do you see on this milkweed leaf? It looks like a little jelly bean or a dewdrop, but come closer and you'll find that it's really an egg, and something alive is hidden inside. And they're showing you right here, this tiny dot is actually how big that egg is. They used a magnifying glass or a microscope to make that look bigger so we could see all the details, but it's really that tiny. Soon, the egg is ready to hatch. A tiny body squiggles and wiggles its way out. Do you know what it is? It's a caterpillar, and it's very, very hungry. And then they show you right here, this is how big that baby caterpillar is when it comes out of the egg. So tiny that you can barely even see it. Right away, the caterpillar eats its eggshell. Then it begins to nibble leaves. It eats and eats, growing bigger and fatter. And as it grows, it changes. Now the caterpillar has velvety stripes. Remember, all caterpillars are different depending on what kind of butterfly they're going to become. Munch crunch. The caterpillar is an eating machine. It moves along the milkweed plant, chewing up the leaves. So it's right here. The caterpillar has strong jaws on its head for chewing, and it holds on to the leaf with its 16 legs. When it is about 10 days old, the caterpillar stops eating. It looks for a safe place to rest. This is how big the caterpillar is now after 10 days. So remember, when he started, he was this big. The caterpillar crawls under a leaf and hangs upside down. Then something amazing happens. The caterpillar begins to change shape. And what letter of the alphabet do you think the caterpillar looks like? We talked about this a little bit. It makes a J shape. The caterpillar has become a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, incredible things are happening. Nature is putting on a kind of magic show. It is turning the caterpillar into something new. We're going to stop there because that's where our caterpillars are right now. All right? So for your project today, you guys are going to make a caterpillar on a leaf using some rolled up paper. So you're going to need a piece of green paper or white paper if you color it green to make the leaf. And I just cut out a quick leaf shape, whatever shape you want your leaf to be. And then I use 2 different colors of paper. You can use 1 color, 2 colors. You can use a whole rainbow of colors, depending on what color you want your caterpillar to be. I made mine orange and black since our caterpillars are turning into painted lady butterflies that are orange and black. So you are going to need a bunch of different strips of paper. So I had some orange and I had some black. You also need a glue stick, and I used tiny pieces, skinny pieces of black to make the antennas. And if you want to, you can use googly eyes, or you can just use a marker. So here's how you roll your paper. So you're going to take one of your rectangles and your glue. And you're going to put some glue right on one of the edges. Okay? You can see it. So there's my glue. And you're going to take the other end, you're going to kind of roll it like that, and then fold over the glue so it sticks into like a little tube. All right, so you're going to do that with a whole bunch of your rectangles. The glue on one end, roll it up, and then stick it. Now, you can roll a whole bunch of these all at once, or you can roll one and then glue it on your leaf, however you want to do it. So once you've rolled them, you're going to take them and you are going to put some glue on your leaf and stick on your rolled up paper. And on the front one, you're going to add your eyes, your antennas. All right, and you're just going to take your second tube and you're going to glue it right behind. All right, until you fill up the leaf. And there is your project for today. Next week on Monday, we are going to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar, and then we'll do some butterfly projects, because hopefully our caterpillars will be hatching out of their chrysalids and becoming butterflies. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Have a good weekend.